welcome back to my channel Active Riders, and this is your host Bimal. So last week I went to the Hindu Auto Expo 2017, and there was not much interesting, but the one stall which was very interesting, the exhibition stall which was very exhibition was this. lots of bike. There was BMW, there was Triumph, there was Suzuki, there was Kawasaki. There are a lot of bikes, Harley Davidson customized, and there was Kawasaki ZX14R customized. So there were a lot of bike, Indian, and lots of sports bike. Maybe those were this is the riders. The group name is the Riders Republic. So the bikes which were there was the individual riders who were the part of that group, and so they had everything, Ducati, all the things, and I love that stall. There were many other stalls. I'm not saying that there were no other stalls. It was really interesting exhibition, by the way, and there were Audi stall, and there was one stall, the cars, luxurious cars which give on rent. They had Maserati. They had very expensive cars. For a rent, the rent starts like for a day, 8 hours, 80 kilometers, 40,000 rupees. When I checked with them, so that was the price, and there's many lot of those were there. The Lamborghini one stall was there, so there was a car of Lamborghini. But my main attraction was towards the bike area, because I love bikes. I really love bikes. Maybe I would not be knowing much about bikes, but still I love how it is. I love the machine how it is. I love when the machine runs and all those whatever you want to take that. But I love it, and I found two more things. There was one. I found two more things in that. There is one. Stall was named by ONN Bike, if you can see, ONN Bike riders. Okay, so they give bikes on rent. So if you're new in Bangalore, you can try to contact these members. They have a website over there, and they have an app also over here. You can see, if you can see, they have an app over here, so you can download. And they have like Himalaya, Royal Enfield, FZ, and scooter, Activa, and Jupiter, major stuff. But the bike, really, they have category like for 24 hours, for 4 hours. That's the minimum billing time period. You need to have 4 hours, and they had 24 hours full day. They had weekly and they had monthly also. So if you are for a month over here, and if you want to get a bike on a rent in a monthly basis, it's very cheap, and I have been through their website also. It's very cheap. Like Himalaya for a day cost around 1200 rupees, and for 4 hours it was around 200, including your taxes or whatever it is. It would come around 500 rupees. So you can definitely check this one. And the one more thing I received was this one, Motoadda. So it is Adda, yeah, it is Adda only. So basically they do all mods, and they have all the modification of the bike. It was really good, and I am putting a small sneak peek of that one after this video of both on Bike Rent and this one. They were in one stall only, so I'll put a sneak peek of their both this one, because I could not record, and unfortunately I could not record much in the AutoExpo, because my battery got over of the camera, and unfortunately I did not carry extra batteries, so that was my unfortunate. And in the same period of time, I like the last week on Sunday, I've been to Shivanasamudra. Well, it was really hot that day. The hotness on Bangalore was around 37 degrees at that day, and we went to Shivanasamudra. Well, it was not really a good experience, because there was no water and we could not go downstairs, and there is no water. So if you guys are planning anytime going in this March month, March, April, May, so I would like to say you just skip those places like Shivanasamudra, and also because it will be really super hot, and you will really get dehydrated. I really got dehydrated, and 2 days it took me to get back my hydration and all those things. So I would request you not to, and if you are going, also go early morning so that you can come, before. What I made mistake was I went very late. I started very late the first time, and I could not record much also because it was with friends. But still, I am putting some clips of that one also. Well, you will not enjoy because there was no water in that place. So if you like this video, kindly share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I need all your support to grow. And I love you all, guys, that you have supported me so much till here, and I am growing. So I need more support from you guys so that I can build a more good relationship with you. And very soon there will be some interesting news coming from my channel. So stay tuned to my channel. Active Riders, do whatever you guys. Be safe, ride safe. Bye.